today's lesson, you will learn about functions in Microsoft Excel. To start off, I'm going to type the number 1 in A1. I can click on that cell, and you notice in the bottom right hand corner of cell A1 there's a small black square. If I hover over that small black square, my mouse turns into a small black plus. I can drag down and it will create a copy of all the number 1s. If I wanted to fill the series, as in going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would click Fill Series and it would change to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can then also highlight, hover over my black box again, and come over so it makes a copy. That is one way to make things duplicate and to type faster and to get your information going faster on your spreadsheet. It can be done with numbers, it can be done with days of the week. Hover over the black box and scroll down. It also recognizes the acronyms for the days of the week. You could do months, and again you can also do the acronyms for the month. Another fun thing to do is to type in today's date. Today is October 12th, 2012. We can go all the way down to next year. We can also put that today is Friday. And we can see when our birthday, what day our birthday falls on the following year. So for instance, my birthday is May 12th. If I go to May 12th, 2013, I notice my birthday this year is on a Sunday. I could go to see what it will be during 2014. May 12, 2014, it moves from Sunday to Monday. Coming back over to our numbers, which is what we are going to focus on today, we are going to learn functions: the function sum, the function average, the function count, the function max, and the function min. If I wanted to find out the sum of all these items, you could add them up in your head. You would then type the number, and that would be the sum of these numbers right here. However, if you wanted to change a number, notice our sum is now incorrect. To change that so that it always updates, we need to put a function in. The first step is to click the cell you want the answer to go in. Once again, step 1 is to click the cell you want the information to go in. Step 2 is to come up to formulas. Step 3, pick the function you want. We are doing the sum function. Now, Excel is fairly smart. It will figure out what you want to add up. It will highlight the cells that it thinks you want to add up by the squiggly lines going around those cells. It will also say the cell range, A1, which is right here, to A5, which is right here. When that is correct, you press enter on your keyboard. Now you see the number 15 is there, but if we were to change a number, the sum 15 will change. We could change every number if we wanted to, and the sum is always changing. Because as you can see in our function toolbar, it is always adding up A1 to A5. We can do the same for average. I'm going to click in the average box, come on up to my formulas, and click average. It's averaging cell B1 to B5, and I click enter. The average of these numbers, these 5 numbers added up and divided by 5, is 3. Count. Count decides how many numbers there are. In this case, there are 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Max finds the maximum of all the numbers listed. Min finds the minimum number listed. Now what happens if we don't want the answer to be coming in a row? So let's say I wanted the sum of A2 through C4. A2 to C4. I want to find out what all these numbers are. Step 1 is to click the cell I want the answer to come into. Step 2, find the formula. And step 3 would be to select the cells A2 to C4. And then I press enter. I'm going to do that for all of them. A2 to C4. Now the average for A2 to C4, A2 to C4. Average, or the count for A2 to C4 is 9. The maximum number on A2 to C4 is the number 4, and the minimum number from A2 to C4. The purpose of formulas is to easily, quickly, and efficiently be able to identify numbers on a spreadsheet.